rainfall on Tuesday brought chaos to Lagos Lekki area, with flash floods submerging roads and leaving commuters stranded. The affected area includes Chisco, Elegushi and the Elf Corridor, with traffic stretching back to Jakande First Gate. Videos circulating online showed vehicles navigating through waterlogged roads, with one motorist noting that the flood occurred after just 30 minutes of rain. The Lagos state government attributes the situation to Tida lockup, where rainfall meets high tide, and assured residents the situation is temporary. Environment and Water Resources Commissioner Tokunbo Wahab urges calm, stating the water will drain naturally as the tide recedes. Transportation Commissioner Oluwaseun Osiemi confirms traffic disruption but assures congestion will ease once flood waters clear. Residents are familiar with the worry. How often will this happen, and is the city prepared? For now, commuters are advised to exercise caution and stay informed. People's First TV Daily Boasts. Ignatius Eli, PFTV.